Since our founding in 1986, the Literacy Center of West Michigan has been working alongside community members as they improve their reading and language skills. Hello, my name is Quiana, and I'm a literacy coordinator with our adult tutoring program at the Literacy Center of West Michigan. And in this video, I will be discussing a free resource available to active tutors that can enhance tutoring sessions face-to-face or online. The resource I'm talking about today is Google, specifically Google Docs. Google Docs is an online tool that allows you to share and edit documents with others, right? This tool can be very beneficial to you as a tutor working with the learner because it has features that can be useful for editing and revising writings without physically being in the same room as your learner. And because of this app, this product is free and there's no software to download, and so you'll only need internet access. This makes it very accessible for a lot of our learners. One thing you do have to have, unfortunately, is an iPhone or iPad. And so though if you have an Android, or maybe if your learner has a computer, you can find ways to work around this. But if you do have a Gmail account, you can start right away. You'll be able to go to google.com or go to any Google page, because usually it has this apps page here that you'll be able to click and find Google Docs, and it should take you to the Google Docs home page. Right? After you've logged in, you can basically start fresh by creating a file. Either create a new document, a new file, or select from the gallery or templates from the template gallery if you're interested in creating a formal document. Now, if you do have an existing document that you'd like to upload, it's super easy to do as well by just going to File, going to Open, and then selecting Upload from the tab. And it's here that you can either drag your file or you can select the file from your actual device by clicking here. Okay, so you've gotten to your basically virtual notebook, and you need to share your document, share your notebook with your learner, and you can do this by clicking Share in the top right-hand corner. Obviously, it wants you to name your document, so let's just say Lesson Plan Prompts. And it's here that you can either add the name, the email address of your learner, or you can get a shareable link in which you can just copy the link and share it with your learner that way. One thing I want you to keep in mind is that when you're sharing your link, you're sharing this document with your learner, you want to make sure that the learner has full access to this document, and that you click Can Edit instead of simply Can View or Can Comment. You can also do so here. It said if you're entering an email address, to make sure that the learner can edit the document so that you can see each other's writing in real time. And once that's happening, you can start writing and collaborating. What I like the most about Google Docs is that the writing assignments and prompts is very useful for real-time lesson planning and real-time story creating. And so this is just an overview of Google Docs program to give you a starting point. The best way to learn about the other features it has to offer is to jump right in and explore. But please note that we'll be continuing this discussion about Google Docs in our second video. So please stay tuned. If you have any questions at all, please direct them to your literacy coordinator. And we bid you good luck and happy studying.